Hello and welcome to another update on Ethereum. So here on the daily time frame, we are currently tracking still an ongoing fifth wave to the upside, on our Ethereum daily chart. This fifth wave, as explained in previous updates, should ideally reach 4,800 plus. That's the 178.6 extension and kind of the first real Fibonacci level above the third wave high, larger degree third wave high here from 2021, but also third wave high internally from the March 2024 high. So we should get there, okay? We should get there, but obviously the move overall from the 2022 low is not very convincing. We're dealing here with corrective structures, three-wave movements in the subwaves. So we cannot be clearly bullish here. That is the main problem. What I can tell you, though, is that the rally from the April low this year it appears to be a five-wave move up. At least it can be interpreted as that. So we can label it as a potential upside impulse in circle A, which means the subsequent pullback should be a B wave, circle B, and this would be a corrective pullback ideally, and should lead to a C wave rally. So while the A wave can still stretch a little bit higher, on the daily time frame, that would just be considered noise. And I have added the support area to the chart already a week ago or a few weeks back actually, which obviously needs to be adjusted as long as the A wave extends. And A waves can be three-wave movements or five-wave movements. At the moment, it looks like a five-wave move, and the next pullback could be a B wave, because if the A wave is in five waves, then it's even more bullish. The $1,618 level is therefore the main support that must hold to keep this bullish assumption alive. And some initial evidence that the B wave pullback has started would be a break below the 2,387 level, which is the previous swing low. Let us take a look at the smaller time frame, because it looks like the A wave here is still unfolding. On the smaller time frame, I'm showing it slightly differently because we have different level of detail. Microstructures, it's shown here in yellow. This is everything zoomed in now, and you can see the rally from the Thursday low, the 5th of June. Now, this video here is basically now giving you some microstructures, right? But please note that these change very quickly in crypto. So to get our live updates, make sure to join our membership. You can find a link in the description that will take you to Discord. And then as a member, you can get access to all of these live updates, also our TradingView live charts. So looking at the fifth wave to the upside here, one more high could send us there towards $2,911 and $3,093. So I communicated this micro support area. Let's see if it holds. I also have this trend channel here. The price is currently pulling back to the lower trend line. So this would be an ideal spot where at least the bulls could attempt to show up. Any break below $2,611 would mean it's a bit too deep for a wave 4. We could then explore maybe another 1-2 setup, which would be more bullish, but based on the context, a little bit more questionable. So for one more high, this is the area the bulls should show up. Any break below $2,611 would at least mean that a larger correction is unfolding, potentially already the B wave, but then we also need a break below the Friday, the 6th of June low at around $2,386. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.